Levi, are they freezing or exercising?
They look like statues that learn to breathe.
That was yoga, India's gift to the world.
It's exercise with wisdom and stretching with soul.
Sounds poetic, but what does it actually do?
For the body, it makes you strong, flexible, and full of energy.
For the mind, it makes stress pack its bag and leave.
So yoga is like a gym for the body and spa for the brain?
Perfectly said.
Can beginners try or do we need to be born bendable?
No worries, yoga bends you slowly, not your confidence.
Then teach us before we turn into permanent statues.
Come on. By the way, India is the land of divinity. So, would you mind removing your footwear?
Sure.
Perfect.
Land of sunshine, music, and joy. Goa is where golden beaches meet blue seas, and every sunset looks like a painting. Palm trees dance in the breeze, waves sing to the shore, and life moves with a relaxed, happy rhythm. Goa has a unique culture shaped by Indian roots and Portuguese history. Beautiful churches, colorful houses, and quiet villages stand beside lively beaches and festivals. Music fills the air, from soft guitar tunes to energetic dance beats. But more than beaches, Goa is about freedom, warmth, and smiles. People here welcome you like family and teach you how to enjoy life slowly. The food is a celebration. Fresh seafood, coconut flavors, spicy curries, and sweet desserts, all full of taste and tradition. Goa is not just a destination. It is a happy feeling you take back with you.
So, this is our first stop in India? Goa. Is it always this sunny or did you guys order special weather for us?
And why does even the air feel like it's on vacation?
Welcome to Goa, where time walks slowly and smiles walk faster.
Here, mornings begin with sea, afternoons with spice, and evenings with music.
I see beaches, boats, and people dancing as if life is a party.
That's Goa for you. Part Portuguese, part Indian, and fully joyful.
What should we try first? Food or fun?
In Goa, food is fun. Seafood, coconuts, and spices that dance in your tongue.
Then lead on before we get swept by excitement.
Let's go.
Is where nature feels like a dream. Snow-covered mountains touch the sky, green valleys stretch endlessly, and rivers flow like silver ribbons through the In spring, flowers paint the fields with color. In winter, snow turns everything into pure magic. Houseboats float quietly on Dal Lake, shikaras glide like poetry on water, and tall pine trees whisper stories of peace. The air is fresh, the silence is soothing, and every view feels like a painting. Kashmir is also rich in culture. Warm woolen shawls, beautiful handicrafts, gentle music, and food full of delicate flavors. But the true beauty of Kashmir is its people. Soft-spoken, kind, and deeply welcoming. Kashmir is not just a place you visit. It is a feeling that stays in your heart forever.
On Earth or accidentally in a painting?
If this is real, my camera needs a vacation too.
Adab. Welcome to Kashmir, India's crown of beauty.
Here, even mountains pose for photos.
What makes Kashmir so special?
Shikaras on Dal Lake, gardens full of flowers, and air that feels like poetry.
And people with hearts warmer than snow.
Cold weather, warm people, perfect balance.
I think my heart is checked into this place.
Then don't worry, Kashmir never checks out of your heart.
Come, let's go.
of grand forts, golden palaces, and ancient cities. Here, every wall has a story of bravery, honor, and royal pride. From the pink streets of Jaipur to the blue houses of Jodhpur, from the lakes of Udaipur to the sand dunes of Jaisalmer, each city feels like a living painting. The desert glows like gold under the sun.
Wow, this place looks like a royal movie set.
Are we tourists or secret kings and queens in disguise?
Kamagadi. Welcome to Rajasthan, land of kings, queens, and grand stories.
Every fort here has more history than our textbooks.
What makes Rajasthan so special?
Golden deserts, colorful clothes, and palaces that could touch the sky.
And food so spicy, it makes your heart dance.
So Rajasthan is where history wears a crown?
Exactly. And every visitor is treated like royalty.
Then bow, Levi. We have arrived like kings and queens.
जाओ जी हमारा दीद कराओ जी अरे क्यों तरसावे हो हमारा शकल दिखाओ जी हरी शरारत सब जानू मैं तो हरी हर चले उन्हें बंगाली में कह लगे मर टुकड़े में जागी दो कणी है चंदा में थारी साधनी बन दामन में भा एक सीरे झुम 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 झुम
Punjab is where life beats to the sound of the dole and hearts dance to the rhythm of joy. Golden fields of wheat stretch as far as the eye can see, showing the hard work and strength of the people who feed the nation. This is the land of brave warriors and kind hearts, of powerful history and deep faith. The Golden Temple in Amritsar shines as a symbol of peace, equality and service, welcoming everyone with open arms. Punjab's culture is full of life. Bright turbans, colorful clothes, loud laughter and non-stop dancing. Bhangra and Gitta are not just dances, they are celebrations of life itself. The food is rich and famous. Hot parathas, creamy curries, sweet lassi, made with love and generosity. But more than anything, Punjab is about warmth. Here, strangers become friends and guests are treated like family. Punjab is not just a place. It is a feeling of joy you carry with you.
Why is even the wind dancing here?
And why do I suddenly feel like jumping?
Sat Sri Akal. Welcome to Punjab, where energy is a lifestyle.
Here, hearts are big, laughter is loud, and food is legendary.
What makes Punjab so special?
Golden fields, brave history, and smiles that never get tired.
And Bhangra, if music plays, feet must move.
So in Punjab, even shy people dance?
Especially shy people.
Then come on, Levi, let's lose our shyness.
Yes, come on.
Pind
living tradition. Tamil Nadu is one of the oldest cultural lands in the world, with a history that flows through more than 2,000 years. Here, magnificent temples rise like stone poetry, carved with stories of gods, kings, and everyday life. Every temple is not just a place of worship. It is a museum of art, science, and devotion. The land is rich in culture. Soulful Carnatic music, classical dance like Bharatanatyam, beautiful silk saris, and a language that is among the oldest still spoken today. Festivals here are colorful, spiritual, and full of joy. From green hills to long beaches, from sacred rivers to busy cities, Tamil Nadu has every shade of nature. The food is simple yet magical. Rice, spices, coconut, and love served on a banana leaf. But the true beauty of Tamil Nadu is its people. Respectful, warm, and deeply rooted in values. Tamil Nadu is not just a place. It is a timeless experience.
These stars look like they're trying to reach the sky.
And every stone seems to be telling a story.
Vanakkam! Welcome to Tamil Nadu, where history stands tall and speaks softly.
Land of temples, tradition, and timeless culture.
What makes Tamil Nadu so fascinating?
Grand temples, graceful dance, and music that feels like a prayer.
And food served on a banana leaf. Simple, healthy, but magical.
So here, even lunch is a cultural experience.
In Tamil Nadu, every meal is a celebration.
Then I'm ready to celebrate one banana leaf at a time.
என்னும் சன்னல் வழி தாண்டவ கூறி என் பழைய காலம் தெரியுதடா தாண்டவ கூறி புத்தமுது பாட்டு வந்தா தாண்டவ கோரி ரத்தமெல்லாம் தீ குளிக்கும் தாண்டவ கோரி கப்படுத்தி அடிக்கையிலே தாண்டவ கோரி நெத்தியிலே கிளிக்கும் தாண்டவ கோரி மகிழ்ந்திடனோ நாடு செலுத்திடனோ சாமியை கும்பிட்டுக்க பூமிகளே அப்போ ஊரு மகிழ்ந்திடனோ நாடு செலுத்திடனோ சாமியை கும்பிட்டுக்க பூமிகளே அப்போ கோயில் கொண்டா ஊருக்கு அழகு கோயில் கொண்டா ஊர் அழகு கோயில் கொண்டா ஊருக்கு அழகு கோயில் ஊர் அழகு இந்த மண்ணு மணக்கிற மல்லிய பூ நம்ம மனச எடுத்து சொல்லும் அங்கு நின்று ரசிக்கிற ஊரு சனம் இந்த தேர இழுத்து செல்லும்
thinkers, artists, and dreamers. It is the home of Rabindranath Tagore and a place where literature, music, and ideas flow as freely as its rivers. Kolkata, its heart, blends old charm with modern life. Grand buildings, busy streets, trams, and tea stalls full of conversations. From the misty hills of Darjeeling to the green forests of the Sundarbans, from tea gardens to wide rivers, West Bengal is rich in natural beauty. It is also the land of powerful rivers and the majestic Ganga. The culture is deep and emotional. Classical music, dance, theatre, and festivals like Durga Puja, which turns the entire state into a living celebration of art and devotion. The food is a joy. Soft rice, fish cooked with love, sweet desserts like rasgulla and sandesh. But the true magic of West Bengal is its people. Intellectual, warm, and full of heart. West Bengal is not just a place. It is poetry you can walk through.
Feels like it's thinking while walking.
And every corner looks like it's writing a poem.
Namaskar. Welcome to West Bengal, where culture drinks tea and talks philosophy.
Land of artists, writers, freedom fighters, and food lovers just like us.
What makes West Bengal so special?
Literature, music, and philosophy.
Then let's think deep and eat deeper.
Come on, let's eat deep.
বুঝো বুঝো গল্প নিয়ে নতুন গানের ছন্দ নিয়ে শারদিয়া আইলো আমার প্রাণ লো আবার আইলো উমা বাড়িতে বিনোদিনী শোনো খবর বিনোদিনী শোনো খবর আইলো মানত মনিতে আইলো আমার প্রাণ লো আবার আইলো উমা বাড়িতে আইলো আমার প্রাণ লো আবার আইলো উমা বাড়িতে পথের পাশে দোলে গাছের ফুল হইল বাতাস শিউলি ফুলের গন্ধেতে আকুল ঘুরি আসে পথের পাশে দোলে গাছের ফুল হইল বাতাস শিউলি ফুলের গন্ধেতে আকুল সাজলো সখী আজলো সকল লাল সাদা রং শাড়িতে আইলো আমার প্রাণ লো আমার আইলো মা বাড়িতে বিনোদিনী শোনো খবর আইলো মানত মনিতে আইলো আমার প্রাণ লো আবার আইলো উমা বাড়িতে আইলো আমার প্রাণ লো আবার আইলো উমা বাড়িতে আইলো আমার প্রাণ লো আবার আইলো উমা বাড়িতে
Celebration. Gujarat is where tradition meets progress. It is the home of great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi and a land known for strong values, hard work and big dreams. Cities here grow fast, yet hearts remain simple and warm. From the white salt desert of the Ran of Kutch to long coastlines and ancient temples, Gujarat is full of beauty and wonder. Colorful villages, handicrafts and mirror-work clothes make the land shine. Gujarat's culture is joyful. Garba and Dandiya fills nights with music and energy, especially during Navratri. Festivals here are bright, loud and full of life. The food is famous, sweet, spicy and full of flavor, served with love and generosity. But more than anything, Gujarat is known for its people, honest, welcoming and full of spirit. Gujarat is not just a place, it's energy you can feel.
Blindingly beautiful.
Khemchur. Welcome to Gujarat, where tradition shines brighter than diamonds.
Land of business minds, big hearts and bright festivals.
What makes Gujarat so special?
White deserts, colorful clothes, and of course, Garba, which is celebrated throughout India.
And food that's sweet, spicy and surprising all in one bite.
So in Gujarat, your food has mixed feelings?
Yeah, exactly. And it tastes amazing.
Then I'm ready to dance, eat and think deeper.
Come, let's go.
Eva Bure
land where history, faith, and culture were born. Uttar Pradesh is the heart of India's ancient story. It is home to the Taj Mahal, one of the most beautiful symbols of love in the world. It is also the land of sacred rivers like the Ganga and Yamuna, where millions come to pray, reflect, and find peace. This is the land of great cities: Agra, Varanasi, Ayodhya, Mathura, each filled with stories of kings, saints, poets, and gods. Here temples, mosques, and ghats stand side by side, showing India's deep spiritual soul. The culture is rich in music, poetry, dance, and crafts. The food is famous: kebabs, sweets, breads, and royal dishes full of flavor. But the true strength of Uttar Pradesh is its people. Simple, warm, and deeply rooted in tradition. Uttar Pradesh is not just a state, it is the soul of India.
Is that the Taj Mahal or a dream in marble?
If now had a building, this would be it.
Welcome to Uttar Pradesh, where even the history walks proudly.
Land of kings, saints, stories, and soulful rivers.
What makes you be so special?
The Taj of Agra, Ghats of Varanasi, and cities full of stories.
And food so famous, even kings waited for it.
So in UP, food, faith, and love are all royal?
Absolutely. Here every feeling is grand.
Then I'm ready to fall in love, find peace, and eat like a queen.
Come on, let's hop on this journey.
मधुबन में भले कान्हा किसी को पी से मिले, मन में तो राधा के ही प्रेम के हैं फूल खिले। इसलिए राधा जले, इसलिए राधा जले, बिना सोचे समझे, इसलिए राधा जले, इसलिए राधा जले।
जो है अलबेला मदनैना वाला, जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की हर बाला, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, किसना है। जो है अलबेला मदनैना
Assam lies in the gentle embrace of the Brahmaputra river, where green fields, forests and hills create a land full of life. It is world famous for its tea, soft golden leaves that travel from these gardens to cups across the globe. Assam is rich in wildlife and nature. The forests are home to the one-horned rhinoceros, elephants and rare birds. Its culture is graceful and joyful. Dances like Bihu celebrate life, harvest and happiness. The people wear simple, elegant clothes and live close to nature, with deep respect for tradition. The food is light, fresh and full of natural flavors. But the true beauty of Assam is its people, gentle, kind and welcoming. Assam is not just a place you visit. It's a peaceful memory you carry with you.
Hills growing tea or happiness?
Because I already feel refreshed just by looking at them.
Welcome to Assam, where mornings begin with mist and tea.
Land of rivers, rhinos and rhythm.
What makes Assam so special?
Endless tea gardens, rainforests and natural gentle beauty.
And festivals where even drums talk.
So in Assam, your music has a voice?
Yes, and it always says welcome.
Then pour the tea, play the drums, I'm home.
Arula kita
filled with faith and hope. Andhra Pradesh is known for its powerful art forms like Kuchipudi dance, soulful music, and beautiful handloom sarees. Its festivals are colorful, filled with devotion and joy. The food is bold and unforgettable. Spicy curries, rice dishes, and tangy flavors that stay in your memory. But above all, Andhra Pradesh is known for its kindness and hospitality. Here, guests are treated with respect and love. Andhra Pradesh is not just a place. It is a feeling of faith, flavor, and warmth.
Why does this place look calm and powerful at the same time?
Like it can bless you and surprise you at the same time.
Andariki Namaskaram. Welcome to Andhra Pradesh, where tradition meets delicious nature.
Land of temples, oceans, and spices that don't joke around.
What makes Andhra so special?
Sacred hills, long beaches, and rich traditions.
And food so spicy, it makes you speak faster.
So, if I stop talking quickly, I'll blame the food?
Yes, and will proudly take the blame.
Then bring on Andhra. I'm ready for your blessings and bold flavors.
Be careful, don't mess with spices.
Not salsa, not flamenco, my brother. Do you know Natu? What is Natu?
feels gentle and magical. Green hills, calm backwaters, long beaches and tall coconut trees create a land of peace and beauty. Boats glide slowly through quiet canals and mist dances over the mountains in them. Kerala is also a land of deep culture and wisdom. It is famous for Ayurveda, yoga and natural healing. Traditional dances like Kathakali and Mohiniyattam, colorful festivals and graceful temples show its rich heritage. The food is fresh and full of flavor. Rice, coconut, spices, seafood and love served on a banana leaf. But the true beauty of Kerala are its people. Kind, educated and welcoming. Life here moves calmly with respect for nature and tradition. Kerala is not just a place. It is a feeling of peace you carry with you.
Welcome to Kerala, God's own country,
where water travels more than people.
What makes Kerala so special?
green hills, quiet backwaters and healing tradition.
And food with coconut which makes you smile before you eat.
So Kerala is like a spa with scenery?
Exactly, it's relaxation with a view.
Then I'm ready to float through life, Kerala style.
But why not Laledan style?
തൃശൂർ പൂരം കാണാൻ ഞാനും വരാം തൃശൂർ
where tradition and modern life walk side by side. Maharashtra is the land of great leaders, brave warriors, saints, artists and dreamers. It is the home of Mumbai, India's city of dreams, where skyscrapers, films, finance and fashion shape a fast and exciting life. Yet, just beyond the city, you find peaceful villages, green hills and ancient caves. From the mighty forts of Shivaji Maharaj to the beautiful Ajanta and Ellora caves, Maharashtra carries history carved in stone. The long Konkan coast offers blue seas and golden beaches, while the western Ghats bring misty mountains and waterfalls. The culture is rich. Colorful festivals like Ganesh Chaturthi, lively folk dances, and warm family traditions. The food is full of variety. Spicy street food, simple village meals, and rich festive dishes. But the soul of Maharashtra is its people. Strong, hardworking, respectful, and welcoming. Maharashtra is not just a state. It is a journey of energy, courage, and beauty.
Even the building seems to be raising.
Namaskar. Welcome to Maharashtra, where dreams run faster than traffic.
Land of warriors, writers, workers and winners.
What makes Maharashtra so special?
Mighty forts, buzzing cities, and dance.
Food so bold that makes you wake up before coffee.
So Maharashtra never sleeps?
No, it only dreams bigger at night.
Then let's chase a few dreams while we are here.
Come, let's chase.
Come on, let's go.
बजने दे धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश
welcome to Karnataka, the heart of heritage and the soul of modern India. Karnataka is a land where ancient histories and new dreams live together. Here, mighty temples, royal palaces and stone forts stand proudly beside busy cities and shining technology parks. It is the home of Bengaluru, India's innovation capital, where ideas grow as fast as its trees. From the misty hills of Coorg to the ancient ruins of Hampi, from long beaches along the Arabian Sea to green forests and waterfalls, Karnataka is rich in natural beauty. Every part of this land tells a different story of kings, saints, poets, and visionaries. The culture of Karnataka is deep and graceful. Classical music, Yakshagana dance, colorful festivals, and beautiful handlooms. The food is warm and comforting. Ragi mudde, crispy dosas, spicy curries, treats made with love. But the true pride of Karnataka is its people. Simple, respectful, intelligent, and welcoming. Here, guests are treated like family and traditions are carried with pride. Karnataka is not just a state, it is home, a place where hearts belong and memories are made.
Nature and technology had a meeting together
and decided to live happily together. Namaskara! Welcome to Karnataka, our home and our heart.
Where palaces remember kings and cities build the future.
What makes Karnataka so amazing?
Royal Mysore, magical Hampi, misty Coorg, and wild Bandipur.
From coffee that makes your soul and to ITs that run the world.
So Karnataka is ancient and modern at the same time?
Exactly. Rooted in tradition, rising with innovation.
No wonder you guys call it home. Karnataka feels like the best of everything.
That's why once you come here, Karnataka stays in your heart forever.
ಮಾದೇವ ನಗುವರ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ನೀ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡೋ ಮಾದೇವ ಹೀಗೆ ಸಾಕು ನೀ ಎದ್ದು ಬಾರು ಬಿಡಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ದಾರಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಬರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಜಗಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಕುಣಿರು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕುಣಿರು ನಮ್ಮದು ಮಾದಯ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಪತ್ತಿ ಕುಣಿರು ಎದ್ದು ಕುಣಿರು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕುಣಿರು ನಮ್ಮದು ಮಾದಯ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಪತ್ತಿ ಕುಣಿರು ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ನೀ ಕುಂದಾರಮ್ಮ ಮಾದೇವ ನಗುವರ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ನೀ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡೋ ಮಾದೇವ ಹೀಗೆ ಸಾಕು ನೀ ಎದ್ದು ಬಾರು ಬಿಡಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ದಾರಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಬರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಜಗಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಕುಣಿರು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕುಣಿರು ನಮ್ಮದು ಮಾದಯ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಪತ್ತಿ ಕುಣಿರು ಎದ್ದು ಕುಣಿರು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕುಣಿರು ನಮ್ಮದು ಮಾದಯ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಪತ್ತಿ ಕುಣಿರು
I thought we were collecting photos. Turns out, India collected us.
So, what will you tell the world about India?
That it's not just a country, it's a feeling.
People who treat strangers like family, food that hugs your soul, places that steal your breath.
Sounds like India passed the test.
Test? India wrote its own examination and topped it.
Best memories, best journey, best people.
So then promise us one thing.
We'll come back.
Again and again.
Incredible India! Once you visit, you belong. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा.
Together, students and teachers create an environment filled with joy, trust, learning and laughter. Triumph World School, a place where mind grows, hearts feel safe, and happiness belongs to everyone. A space where passion is valued, teamwork is cherished, and every educator feels respected, supported, and inspired to give their best. Together, students and teachers create an environment filled with joy, trust, learning, and laughter. Triumph World School, a place where mind grows, hearts feel safe, and happiness belongs to everyone.
नहीं तेरे जैसा
here in grade 3. Today's program is just awesome. First of all, I would like to give a huge thanks to the Triumph management. Okay, they don't ensure only the academics, they also focus on sports, life skills, mental well-being of students. I work in an industry where we have more than 10,000 employees. We organize many events, but most of the events, it's a male-dominated industry. So we as a male, we take the front role in organizing the event. Kudos to these ladies. Okay, I see right from service to stage, it's only ladies. Hats off to you. To summarize today's program, okay, I'm not a good singer, but the latest Gilly song, okay, with one change, okay, you can also sing with me. Okay, most of you know this song, Dodava Dodava. Hey, Dodava Dodava. Dodava Dodava Dasakadu, Chikava Chikava Chatikadu, Namma Paraja, Kot Mere Bija, Sarigako Sopu, Best school is Triumph. Best school is, hey, best school is Triumph. Best school is Triumph. Thank you so much.
Gentlemen, thank you each and everyone to cheer your children. You mean the world to your children. Thank you my family who's come here to support me. Thank you for the entire team who put up an incredible show. Of course, the theme of today was Incredible India, with incredible children in incredible school, with incredible audience, and led by an incredible team who was trained by an incredible leader. Thank you each and everyone. Lovely, thank you.
Respected chief guests, esteemed dignitaries, dear parents, teachers, students, and my dear TWS family, greeting to one and all! As we come to the end of this magnificent celebration of Incredible India, my heart is filled with pride, gratitude, and joy. Tonight was not just a program, it was a journey across the soul of our nation, where every dance step, every dialogue, every costume and every smile reflected the rich culture, traditions and unity of our beautiful India. On behalf of Triumph Girls School, it is my honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks. First and foremost, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to our chief guests and special invitees for gracing this occasion and inspiring us with your presence. Your encouragement means the world to our students and staff. I express my sincere thanks to our management and leadership team whose vision, trust and constant support make every dream at TWS turn into reality. This grand celebration is a reflection of your belief in holistic education where learning goes beyond books and into life. At this moment, I would like to extend a very special note of gratitude to the head of the school, Ms. Chandrika ma'am, the guiding force and the backbone of the entire event. From the first idea to the final execution, her dedication, planning, leadership and calm guidance have shaped every moment we witnessed this evening. Her tireless efforts, attention to detail and passion for excellence turned this program into a grand success. Ma'am, this stands as a beautiful testimony to your hard work and commitment. Thank you for inspiring us all. happens. We are immensely proud of each one of you. We are truly honored to have our former staff members present with us this evening. You may have moved to new journeys, but your contribution to Frank World School remains timeless. The values you instilled, the foundations you built, the love you shared with our students continue to shine through them today. We thank for being an everlasting part of TWS family. And your presence proved us today. Once a champion, always a champion. This evening has reminded us that India is not just a country. It is a feeling of unity in diversity, strength in culture, and beauty in traditions. Through this theme, our children have not only performed, they have learned to respect, understand, and celebrate our great nation. As the event coordinator, I take this moment to make every single person who contributed big or small to make this evening truly unforgettable. This success does not belong to one person, it belongs to the entire TWS family. Let us carry forward the spirit of incredible India in our hearts through respect, kindness, unity, and pride in who we are. Thank you for being the part of this beautiful journey. Wishing you safe travels, happy hearts, and memories that will last forever. Jai Hind, thank you, and good night.
Dear parents, this event would not be possible without the two teams that supported us day and night. May I call upon Manu, who's in charge of the LED and the sound and system, to just receive a gratitude from us, please. Manu, please, can you come here? This is Chirag Events. Can we hear it for Chirag Events, please? And our entire team who supported us in the choreography, Chaitra and team, thank you so much. Please come forward.
As we always say, once a champion, always a champion. This partnership is not just for a year, it is for years to come.
One second, sir.